rabbit fur. Dude. 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 Dude.
What?
What are you doing? You have your rabbit fur out, don't you? Oh, great. Do you want to go get your medication?
No, I already took it.
Why do you have your rabbit fur out?
Because.
Well, you didn't take it then.
The do's and the don'ts of rabbit fur.
Stop doing that.
Oh. A good pillow. A nice hat.
Fashionable.
And one of the biggest no-nos
No.
is a good
Wait.
thing.
What is this?
No. A living to what? Ooh. Hey. Ah.
And now we have a professional modeler like me.
Rabbit fur.
I think it's a cartoon. Nuts.
At least the rabbit fur safe.
Holy crap, look at my nuts. Oh, one of my balls fell out.
And that includes today's session of the do's and the don'ts of rabbit fur.
Rabbit.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, down his ball.
Oh, down his ball. That's so gross. Here, sit back and let's go.
Fill out again. Okay.